Hello, super learners! Welcome to NCERT Revision. Every lesson's an exciting adventure. Let's begin.
Math champions, are you ready? Can you unlock the magic treasure? Only tables 12 and 13 can open it. Let's begin our adventure.
Start from 12. Jump 12 more numbers. We reached 24! 12 times 2 equals 24. Stand on 24. Jump ahead by 12. We reached 36. 12 times 3 equals 36. Stand on 36. Jump ahead by 12. We reached 48. 12 times 4 equals 48. We're on 48. Jump ahead by 12. We reached 60. Equals 60. 60. We're on 60. Jump ahead by 12. We reached 72. 12 times 6 equals 72. We're on 72. Jump ahead by 12. We reached 84. 12. 12 times 7 equals 84. We're on 84. Past 12 magic gates. We reached 96. 12 times 8 equals 96. We're on 96. Count 12 clouds with me. 7, 99. We reached 100. 108. Count 12 more numbers. We reached 120. 12 times 10 equals 120.
Fantastic job, math champion! Congratulations! You completed the table of 12. Now, get ready for an exciting new adventure. Let's learn the table of 13.
Welcome, math champion. This is the Crystal Valley of 13. Touch the magic number. Let's learn the table of 13. Let's count to 13. 1 all the way to 13. We reached 13. 13 times 1 equals 13. One group of 13. Can you make another group? 2. Add one more group. Now we have 26. 13 times 2 equals 26. 3 groups of 13. Watch the magic machine. We made 39. 13 times 3 equals 39. 4 magic portals. 4. Each portal brings 13. Together, 52. 13 times 4 equals 52. We're standing on 52. Let's jump forward by 13. We landed on 65. 13 times 5 equals 65. We're on 65. Can you find 78? Move ahead by 13. We reached 78. 13 times 6 equals 78. We're on 78. Press the plus 13 button. 79, 80, 81. We reached 91. Equals 91. We're at 91. Ride the plus 13 express. We reach 104. 13 times 8 equals 104. We're on 104. Blast ahead by 13. We reached 117. 13 times 9 equals 117. We're on 117. Let's make our final jump. We reached 130. 13 times 10 equals 130. Amazing work, math champion. Subscribe to NCERT Revision for more fun learning adventures. See you in the next video.